Hello Martin, thank you for your time, we really appreciate it.
Yeah, hello, how are you?
Yeah, we're well, thank you. Let's start. How do you feel now after an ankle injury? Is it a thing of the past already?
I mean, I feel good. I think every game is getting better. I think, you know, being out for 8-9 weeks in the end, it takes a little bit of time to get that rhythm back and to get like full match fitness. But to be fair, I felt pretty good. You know, I think I've done a good job being out and worked hard. You know, so yeah, I feel good now.
Yeah, it was actually, we think, the longest absence of your senior career. How difficult was it to watch your teammates play from the stands for so long?
Yeah, it's. I think for sure it was the longest I've been out. I can't remember anything else that I've had that's been so long. So it was something new to me. I'm not used to watching the games from the stand and to not train with the team and everything. So it was hard, but I think the only thing you can do is work hard every day to make sure you come back as soon as possible, to come back stronger, better. I think it was a chance, you know, to work on some other things, be a bit more in the gym, work on other parts of the body, and yeah, also to watch the team from the stands is a bit different, but I think you can learn a lot from that, and that's what I did, I think.
If you compare this season to the last, what would you say is the biggest difference? Why would you say you found it harder this year?
I don't know if it's harder. I think we had a little bit of a tough start to the season, you know, with a lot of difficult games, a lot of injuries, some games with playing with 10 men, and yeah, the Premier League is hard, but I feel like we're in a good place. I feel like we're just getting better and better, and the players are back now fit, you know, and we're looking really strong, and the team is in a good state. We're ready. We're gonna push, you know. So yeah, we just have to keep going, keep working hard, and I'm sure we're just gonna get better and better throughout the season, and then we'll see.
So the dressing room still believes you can be in the title race this season?
Yeah, of course, but I think the main thing is, as I've said many times, we have to take it day by day and game by game. I think that's important, to be in the moment and don't look too far ahead. But yeah, we're confident, we're hungry, and we're coming in every day, pushing each other to be better. So that's what we're going to keep doing.
Has anybody at the club mentioned that in 1998 Arsenal won the title in spite being 13 points behind at some point in the season?
Okay, no, I didn't know that, to be fair.
Well, Emmanuel Petit just mentioned that, I think, a couple of weeks ago, and we just remember that.
Yeah, it's a long season, you know, so we just have to keep working hard, and as I said, I'm sure we're just going to get better and better, and yeah, now it's time to look for the next game, try to win that, and then move on after that again.
Yeah, and just lastly, much has been said about the pronunciation of your surname, and since we're coming from Central Europe, we really want to get it right. So can you tell us how to pronounce it, or if there's this other version, which one you prefer?
Now, to prefer, I prefer like people just say Ødegaard, because that's like how you say it in English, I would say, but in Norwegian it's Ødegaard. But I think it's a bit difficult for people to say if you're not from Norway, so I think Ødegaard is completely fine. It's easier.
Thank you very much, Martin, and best of luck for the rest of the season.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you.